이제 애니멀 pet center adoption center da laine moy ani je houdong hui long ne aina hui da di yamna thabak yamna mai kano yam change na excited or ba no ani come sila moy Animals Community Center Adoption Center na sila laire pet store. Chang.
Oh, is it what it looks like? Whoa.
Socializing room. Where is it? Mid adopt is step 3. Check in. We have to check in. Check in here, come. Yeah. Let's do the check in here.
Thank you. Perfect. No, thank you. I can sort through that.
Oh, cats and kittens are there.
There's a volunteer who can answer any questions.
Thank you. Thank you. Come on, guys. Let's meet the kittens.
Is this a cute cat place?
I don't know. See how to greet a cat. Look here, guys. Extend your pointer finger toward the cat nose. The cat has to sniff your finger.
Terrified.
Okay, so let's go.
Hi. Have you been here before?
No, it's my first time.
Okay. All right. So what we need you to do is kitties can be kind of scared. Okay. So we need to be like good indoor, quiet, kind of calm. Can we do that? Okay. That's good. We appreciate that. Okay. So we don't have a lot of kitties right now. But I can show you what we have. So what you can do is if you go to a room and you see there's pictures on the wall, these kitties are going to be in here. So in that room there's 2 kitties, but see they're kind of hiding. So it might mean that they're just a little bit shy. You can go in and we can go and see them. There's a key in the door, but we need you to sanitize your hands first, okay? So,
Okay.
and this is right here. So, yeah. Put your hand up closer, it'll shoot off the foot. Okay.
Can you press for me?
Had a kitty before? No? Okay, so the best way to introduce yourself to a cat is, I think you read the sign that says their fingers, so it's non-threatening, and you can see how they
Look
do.
at them, the hair.
Oops, see they all
Yeah,
have
their
it
hair.
today. Yeah. Hi, sweetheart.
Oh,
Hi, sweetie. How are you doing, huh? Do you want to come out and visit anybody? Here, sweetie. And if they like it, you can do like on their chin, like give them a chin rub like this, really gentle. Sometimes they get a little scared if you go over their head, but this one seems to be doing okay. So if you want to reach in there and see how they do. What we'd like you not to do is pick them up.
he likes you.
Okay.
He said no.
And if they're cats, it's a good thing if they're not happy with being petted, that they will just go away. That they'll just say, just walk away, and that's a good behavior.
Okay.
Sometimes if they're not really happy, they'll swat out. But
There's a white one on the line.
so
Did he say yes
if
to
you
you?
sit down, if you sit down on the floor and I'll get you a toy, they might come down and see you. These kids have been pretty shy and closed in, so I don't know if these 2 will. You might be able to find you some that are a little
Yeah,
bit
they
more
can
social.
play with.
This one likes me.
Yeah, you guys other kitten that you can check.
Who excited? You know, you're gonna
Clean.
contain yourself. Okay, and I would, with Merlin, if I were you, I would sit down on the floor with him, and this, what this is called is a wand toy, because cats like to hunt, and you can put this like on the floor. It's not a whip, so don't whip it, okay? But just let him kind of chase it. So I'd sit down on the floor. Here, go ahead. Okay. And sit down on the floor, and we'll shut the door behind you. We gotta shut the door. Okay.
Is he going home with you?
Why not? Why not?
What? Yeah.
Oh yeah, Asher.
I always tell people, we think we select the cats select us. They let you know.
He just came down onto the floor just by the bed. This one, Merlin, as soon as the kids went in, he just went.
Oh.
So he said no, he wasn't interested in that level.
Okay.
Whatever.
Too much energy for
I
him.
think so.
He's got to expend his, but not taking more.
Yeah.
Hi. Good afternoon. How are you?
Bye, is a houdong, domestic short hair, white,
How's it going?
nurtured male, is 3 months 2 weeks.
Yeah, in that room. Yeah. What do you need to do before you go in the room?
Yeah, bring you the toy. And fun. So she's pretty fun. You take
You too. Thanks for taking care of those barrels. Domesticating some of them.
yeah, we do that every night, and it's, we actually.
I think he likes you.
He touched my hand.
See, he's ready to play with you.
So anyway, so normally we go out and our shelters will contact us and say, you know, can you come help? And we would go out there and we would pull cats. Animal control from Sunnyvale specifically. We have a contract. Strays would come in from Sunnyvale here. People find animals, want to surrender them. If we have space, we take them over the counter, but our intake is closed, right? I mean, we can't do that right now. The other
You want this? Susiti, right now, where are we? Where are we? Ay, tadi, chisi, kan nang lang gadi.
right now, I think, yeah, you
Ha?
gotta get this energy out of him, and then he'll.
Kay gino.
It's sort of this
Kalle, ay, kumang sa uwi.
in the foster home for a while, and you might want to read this. So they sort of talk about, you know,
Oh, black and white. I didn't even see her when she was in there.
like most kittens, you know, play hard, and then they'll calm down, so they need.
Right, they'll calm down. Maybe. If you're lucky. Oh. Want to cuddle? Yeah.
Yeah, it's like, let's play.
Yeah, exactly.
Adoption gi fee ni. Hui ga, houdong ga, rabbits ga, hamster, guinea pig. Si bu kana yu ja ni. Sino mo hui mafam ne. Hui ji medline ga thongna ga di lyrics ko ga. Mo hui gi ni lo di kan sanare.
They're the babies that we have. They're just a little bit mouthy. Do you just want to pet a puppy? Is that what you want to do? You want to pet a puppy?
Yeah.
Let me see. If we go in the room, I just want to make sure that we're all safe. So as long as you guys you're gonna each have a toy, and you're just gonna keep kind of shoving it in the mouth. If they get a little bit mouthy, that's what they do. They try to nib at your fingers, but you just want to use a toy that's going to be in the room, and you just have them chew on that instead.
Like put the toy on the finger?
No, you just hold the toy, and you're just gonna let the puppy chew on that, because they don't really know what they can or can't chew on right now. So we can go in that room as long as you guys feel comfortable with that. Noelle, she's a bigger dog, where she's like, and she's excited. She can be a
I
little
just
jumpy.
met Noelle.
So I can take you guys in there
licking your hand, yeah.
to see them, but just be prepared. They're like very excited, and they might bark at you. They get excited and they bark.
Yeah, the lyrics is like barking to me.
I'm okay with dog barking, but not with cat chasing.
So you want to meet lyrics or you want to meet other?
Other dogs.
I think they want to meet lyrics only.
older. But yeah, there's 4 puppies, and they were left in a box outside of our shelter.
Oh,
I know.
oh my own. That's.
Oh, these are the ones from, are these the ones from last week?
Oh, they just left the puppy there. Oh.
No, that's not so nice.
I know.
An adopter who adopted, I think he adopted a cat. He's the one who found the box. It was near his car, and he came in and told us about it. So it was really, really nice that he did. 'Cause
Yeah,
they were
yeah.
way out there.
Oh, why would somebody such a cutie be left?
They're so cute.
I'm gonna give him a
They
hand.
look like herder.
Shelter adagi laini. Si moi si hana porani medical examination tawrani hai. Aduga rescue tawba. Moina mina langthokpiramba rescue tawba. Singna. Oh, puppy! Oh, look at those puppies. Look at
I
those
love
small
chihuahuas.
puppies.
Sorry, I need to head
Bella,
out.
ang na.
Thank you.
Oh,
Just want you to.
kising na magmina hundokpiramini.
Cute.
I wanna.
No, this has to go for the medical examinations. Doctor da pude mo. Ah, ano yan ya?
Yeah, but I'm so thirsty now.
Karmanong kanang kano yaw judi.
Didn't we adopt today?
Adopt to ya giro ye. Daddy ga koi kano sa to sidi. Trip sa to sidi. Then
When is Papa coming?
hotel da laibe ade pets to guys.
We're gonna be in a hotel, like the big house.
No, big house na ti hotel da. Amuk lak sila to ka na. We'll adopt, okay?
What hotel is it?